My video guide is about getting rid of the browser scam that comes from the site Scanclean.live. Scanclean.live is a deceptive site that attacks Google, Chrome, and other browsers. This website tries to trick people into thinking that their computer is horribly infected by some malware. The website instead attempts to make people download and install some potentially unwanted software. So it is definitely a mistake to interact with all these pop-ups. Do not trust them and do not trust their deceitful content. If you have downloaded or installed any potentially unwanted software through these fake alerts, you should immediately undertake the measures and get rid of that potentially unwanted software. Go to the control panel, click on uninstall a program, look for any suspicious items and then get rid of them. We also recommend researching the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program and start researching and investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner works very well in terms of identifying and deleting the majority of threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, and so on. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.